All right, American Standard toilet. They did a terrible job making this toilet, and I'm not going to work on it. Look in there. Look, they got the bolts way up inside this unit. You can see there's a bolt missing on this side. Oh, there's a bolt missing in there, so the toilet's loose, but it's heavier, real heavy. Go in here.
A new toilet?
We got to rust it. I'm saying, if you're going to use me as a plumber,
Yes.
you got to get a new toilet.
Okay.
All right?
I want the one I've seen the ad for where the kid flushes his toys in his sandwich.
Well, I don't sell that toilet, but I'll show you the one I sell. If you want to go pick up that one, you can. But I sell one toilet. I sell the same toilet I've sold for 20 years because it flushes well. Okay? It's called a Vortex. Used to be called a ProFlow. Anyway, it takes the paper down well. All right? Our toilets flush good from the front. But one of the things I want to tell you that I noticed with this toilet too, it's not the greatest flushing toilet. Okay? Our water drives from right here in the front. You'll see. I'll show you a video where mine, the water comes down. But this thing, this is just a terrible design. A big old heavy, terribly designed, poorly done toilet.
Okay.
And you couldn't possibly get it down correctly. I guess if you had a deep socket that fit in there, that's dumb.
Okay.
That's all I can say about that, okay? It's just not a good design of a toilet. They just tried to get a little too fancy there at American Standard.
The reason I picked it is because it didn't have a whole lot of junk on the bottom to clean.
Yeah, that's
why.
yuckies. Well, it's not your fault. You didn't design this. You didn't design this garbage. American Standard did.